Hey everyone, and welcome to One Investor again. So today we'll cover ATA again, mainly because Binance decided to list ATA, and I think it's a big one. And especially, I've covered before already in the video the Launchpool about ATA, so you already know how you can farm it, how you can stake your BNB, BUSD, and Polkadot to farm ATA. And that happens, with few previous projects like TRM or Alice, when people were able to stake their BNB or BUSD or other coin to farm the project coin. And I think that's quite awesome. They do it in their launch pool, in their innovation zone. So that means that some people have actually access before it happens. But on 07/06/2021 at 6 a.m. UTC, Binance is listing ATA on their exchange. And actually, if you go to exchange, you will see that there is ATA, USDT, and other pairs. So if I actually search, I will see other pairs. So there's ATA BTC, ATA USDT, ATA BUSD, and ATA BNB. So as you can see, there are a few different pairs which you can trade it at. If you're watching that video before it listed, you probably saw a counter. If you actually sold or bought it after, you can normally just trade it. But this is what happens when this is before trading. So you can actually see that the trading will open in, and this is the amount. And when you look at listing at Binance, it's a big step for any coin. Obviously, Binance at this moment, the biggest exchange in the world, so whoever gets listed there gets a lot of traffic. So that means there will be lots of volatility, which you need to always consider. I saw it previously with TLM and Alice. This project had when they listed on Binance, they had a huge volatility when they were listing. Like the price peaked at a really high price and also dropped. So, like as always with big volatility, there are always opportunities. So you need to look into that as well. But what I want to show you today is how many people are actually interested in ATA. And I think this is pretty cool. So by the way, if you want to buy it, it's really easy. So you just have to go to exchange, and in the exchange, you'll just have to type ATA, and you have it in one of the pairs. You will do the same on mobile. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account, just click register under this video, so you'll get extra perks like off trading fees, which I think is awesome for everyone, especially like you're actually getting a discount on it. So do it right now if you don't have a Binance account. Coming back, why I want to talk about the today's listing, because there is a lot of money staked in the pool. So that means there is a lot of ATA being generated over the last few days. I'm not sure how much exactly. So we see that there's almost 11 million BNB. And at this moment, while we're talking, BNB is around $400. So that means 11 million BNB. That's over, guys, quick calculation. Yeah, that's $4 billion. That's a lot of money, which right now it's farming the ATA. Then we have 2 billion in BUSD and also 36 million in Polkadot. As you can see, a lot of people are involved in it. So that means a current capital, it's almost $6 billion farming. That's ATA. That's already, big thing, looking that all these people are staking their assets to farm that ATA and get that token. And especially when you look at the ATA, it's a decentralized service protocol that provides a privacy layer for dApps, which are decentralized apps, which in general, it's a great option for improved security. And you can actually read more on their website about the project itself. But what I like is that everyone can participate in. That's why I always like launch pools, because they allow everyone to be a part of it and actually farm it during that period. And then use that option to list it, especially when you start, or have some spare BUSD, have some spare BNB, which like just lying on the account, or they are in the vault, which it gives you some nice rewards. But here they're only focusing mainly to build that ATA at this moment, and with Launchpool's different projects coming soon. I used that with TLM, with Alice. It was a great Launchpools, gave me so much tokens, so that's why I believe that, you know, everyone can do it in a nice and easy way. As I showed you, it's just a staking here, and you can do it really easily. So you can also read about Automata ATA on their website. It's really nice. Like, if you go here, you actually see that there are some information here, like lots of it is actually tech, I would say, info, mainly because, you know, it's a security coin. So obviously when you come to dApps, it's quite complicated, but with decentralized apps, I think this is the future for finance in general. By the way, if you like this video, just leave a like and subscribe, so I know that videos like that should be done in the future, and you also like the content I do. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. I hope that you also took participation in the ATA, and well, I hope you all great profits for that project, especially during listing. And well, talk to you on the next video. Take care, everyone.